A cordial greeting. Today is Monday, July 10, 2023. This is the meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. In this video I will be talking about the Invest 94, which is a low-pressure system that is located towards the south of Mexico. It has a high probability of becoming the next cyclone of the eastern Pacific hurricane season. This low-pressure system is forecast to be Tropical Storm Calvin. It would then strengthen into Hurricane Calvin as it moves west over open waters of the eastern Pacific. However, weather models are showing that in the long term it could reach regions near the Hawaiian Islands. The residents of this area must be attentive to the evolution of this future cyclone. In addition, the trajectory will be far from the coast of Mexico. The National Hurricane Center increased the chances of a tropical depression developing to 90% over the next 7 days. Note that a fully westward trajectory is being forecast away from the Mexico and Central America area. In fact, all specialized trajectory models agree on a move to the west at least until next Thursday and then a slight move to the west to west-northwest over the next 5 to 7 days. Specialized intensity models all forecast gradual strengthening over the next 3 to 4 days. Possibly reaching Category 1 or 2 during hours on Thursday or Friday. Then over the next weekend this disturbance is expected to begin to weaken as it moves west and approaches the islands of Hawaii. This responds to the fact that the waters between longitude 130 west and 150 west are quite cold. Therefore, a cyclone trajectory through this area will find conditions that are not very favorable for strengthening. In fact, the waters in this area are much colder than usual for this time of the year. See in this graph that anomalies are shown between 1 to 3 degrees Celsius below normal. At least this is good news since a gradual weakening is expected as it approaches the island of Hawaii. There are doubts that it would arrive as a tropical cyclone, but let's see what some of the best meteorological models show. Here we have the American model that has a Category 1 tropical storm or hurricane on Sunday afternoon. Then it is projected to move fully to the west, passing very near or over the Hawaiian Islands during the afternoon hours of Wednesday. Similarly, the European model has a very similar forecast, possibly passing this disturbance as a tropical storm over the Hawaiian Islands during hours of Wednesday afternoon. Also, note that there is a fair amount of consensus across the GFS model membership that it should maintain that westward trajectory as it weakens before reaching Hawaii. And in this case the good news is that all members dissipate this disturbance before reaching Hawaii. However, note that the set of members of the European model, although it does weaken this cyclone when it approaches Hawaii, some of them show a gradual strengthening when it approaches the islands. That must be due to the fact that temperatures rise again in case this cyclone heads towards this area. This is a long-term forecast, so we will have many days to watch. We are talking about a forecast of more than 7 to 9 days, so there may be some significant changes. The important thing is that the residents of the islands of Hawaii are attentive to the evolution of the future tropical storm Calvin. Also, I take this opportunity to mention that another system could be developing during the next week, but it should also maintain a west-northwest trajectory away from the Mexico region. Well, that would be it for the Invest 94 Advance. In case this forecast has any significant change, I will be recording another video for you. See you later.